Hello children. So today we are going to start question number 4 of exercise 2.4. So children, we have to factorize 12x square minus 7x plus 1, and we are going to apply what? Middle term split in this. So let's split the middle term. Now we have to choose two numbers such that on adding we need minus 7, and on multiplying we need 12 into 1, that is 12. And we are always taking the factors of multiplication 1. So let's take the factors of 12. 2 6 are, 2 3 are, 3 1 are. So what are factors of 12? Factors of 12 are 1 2 2 3. These are the factors of 12. Now we are having 1 2 3 4 4 factors, and now we want to choose in such a way that on adding we need minus 7 and multiplying we need 12. That means we will convert these four numbers into two numbers, and you have to just think that what on adding we need minus 7 and on multiplying plus 12. So let's think. 1, we can make so many numbers, children. See here first number is 1, and 2 to the 4 4 to the 12, 1 and 12. So 12 minus 1 11, or 12 plus 1 13, and we are not getting minus 7. That means again we have to think. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 2 8, or 6 minus 2 4. We are not getting minus 7. So now again we'll think. Let's take this to 2 and 2. 2 to the 4, and 3 1s are 3. 4 plus 3 7, but we need minus 7. So minus 4 and minus 3. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. Minus into minus plus 4 is a 12. So both condition meet. So we'll take this number. So middle term split over. So we can write minus 7x as minus 4x minus 3x. This minus 7x we can write as minus 4x minus 3x, and plus 1 is going on there. So we have split the middle term. After that we have to take pairs. Let us take the pairs, this two together, this two together, and this two together. So children, both condition meet. Minus 4 into minus 3, we are getting plus 12, and minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. Both condition must meet, then only middle term split. Okay. Now what we have to do, children? Take common. What is common here? 4x. 4x common. 4 3s are, and 4 1s are 4. Now whatever expression comes here, just write the expression here also, children. Now after writing the same expression, just see what is common. So minus is there, so take minus 1 outside. Minus 1 into plus minus, minus into minus plus. So both condition fulfilled. Now take this two common. So what left? 3x minus 1 common. So what left? Inside 4x minus 1. So see children, we have splitted the middle term, and we have factorized. So this is by middle term split. So by middle term split we have done this. Clear, children? Now let us do the second part of this question. Now see the second part. 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Now we have to choose two numbers again, children. So compare with this first with the general form, ax square plus bx plus c. Now we need two numbers. On adding we need b. And what is b here? 7. And on multiplying we need a into c. What is a here? 2. And what is c here? 3. So 2 into 3, 6. And always we will take the factors of the multiplication one. So let's take the factor of 6. 2 3 is 6, 3 1 is 3. So what are the factors of 6? 2, 3, 1. Now out of these three numbers we are going to convert into two numbers. Now think such that on adding we need 7 or multiplying we need 6. So what are numbers? 2 3 is 6, 6 and 1. So first number 6. So let us think the numbers. 2 3 is 6 and 1. Now on adding we need 7. 6 plus 1, 7, getting 6 1 is 6, getting. So in the first attempt only we got the numbers. Now we are not going to do more options. Now let's split the middle term. So 7x can be written as this 7x, children. See this 7x. This 7x can be written as 6x plus 1x plus 3 going on there. So we are splitting by which method, children? Middle term split. This method is known as middle term split. Now see, children, make the pairs this 2 and this 2. What is common here? 2x. So take 2x common. If we take 2x common, what left? Inside 2x square and 2 3 is 6x. And listen, once again I am telling you all that whatever we are getting here, the same you have to write here as an expression, because we will get every time the same thing. So what is common? Nothing means 1 is always common. If nothing is common, that means 1 is common, children. Always write 1. Don't write anything that nothing is common, so no need to write anything. Always you have to write 1 as the common. Now x plus 3 is common again. So what left inside? 2x plus 1. So see, children, how we have splitted the middle term and factorized this. Now let us do the question number third part of this one. Now see, again compare, we have to factorize again. So ax square plus bx plus c. Now compare. What is a here? 6, b 5 and c minus 6. Now we need two numbers such that on adding we need, what we need on adding? 6. And on multiplying we need what? 6 into minus 6, a into c. A into c. C is minus 6. 6 into minus 6, how much? Minus 36. We need two numbers such that on adding we need b. On adding we need b, and on multiplying we need a into c. So 6 into minus 6, minus 36. Now we are going to take the factors of 36. This always take the factors of 36. So we need minus 36. So factors of 36 are 1. We can take here factors, children. 2 18, 2 9, 3 3 and 3 1. So 1 2 2 3 3. These are the factors. Now out of these 5 numbers we have to convert into two numbers such that the both condition meet, on adding 6 or multiplying minus 36. So let's think. 2 to the 1 to the 2, 2 to the 4. 4 is 12. 12 minus 3, 9. No. Again think. You keep on thinking, children, so that you will get. So 2 3 is 6 and 2 3 is 6. No. Then 3 3 is 9 and 4. 9 minus 4. What? 9 minus 4? 5. And we need 6. So again think. Then 3 2 is 6. 6 2 is 12. 12 minus 3. So next is 3 3 is 9. 2 to the 4, 4 1 is 4. 9 minus 4, 5. Yes. On adding what we need? 5. There 5 is there. On adding we need b. What is b? 5. On adding we need b. 5. So 3 to the 9 and 2 to the 4, 4 1 is 4. 9 minus 4, 5. So both condition meet. So number is 9 and we need plus 5. So 9 and minus 4. So see, 9 minus 4, 5. We are getting this B, 5. And on multiplying minus 36, 9 into minus 4, minus 36. So both condition meet. So our middle term split over. Now we can write this as 6x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. 5x can be written as 9x minus 4x. Now this 2 and this 2. What is common? 3x. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Now children, you know that whatever we are getting here, the same we will get here also. Okay. So now what is common? See, 2 is there and we need 4. So 2 2s are. And minus is common to both. So take minus also. So 2 2s are 4 minus 4x. Minus into plus minus 2 3s are 6. Now 2x plus 3 is common again. So what left inside? 3x minus 2. So in this way we can do. Understood children? Now see this one children. Fourth part, 3x square minus x minus 4. Now on adding this again, see a, this is a, ax square plus bx plus c. A is 3, b is minus 1 and c is minus 4. So we need two numbers. On adding what we need? B. What is b here? Minus 1. On adding we need minus 1. On multiplying what we need? A into c. What is a? 3. What is c? Minus 4. So what? Minus 12. Now always we'll take the factors of multiplication 1. So take the factors 12. What are the factors of 12? What are the factors of 12 children? 12 factors. 1, 2 to the 4, 4 is the 12. So out of these 4 numbers, we will convert into 2 numbers. So let us convert into numbers. Think that we need minus 1. So 1 to the 2 and 2 3 are 6. 2 and 6. 6 minus 2, 4. We are not getting. Again think. 1 to the 2, 2 to the 4. 4 plus 3, 7 or 4 minus 3, 1. But we need minus 1. So we will change the sign. Minus 4 plus 3. So what are the numbers we got? Minus 4 and plus 3. So now we have to middle term split. Minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. Now see whether condition fulfilled or not both. Minus 4 plus 3, we are getting minus 1. Minus 4 into 3, minus 12. Also we are getting both conditions are meet. Now we have splitted the middle term. Minus 4x plus 3x. Now take what? Pairs. So these two together and these two together. What is common here? X. If we take common x, then 3x minus 4. What is common here? 1. 3x minus 4. Now 3x minus 4 is common to both. And if it is common to both, we can write inside x plus 1. So children, very easy. Middle term split. Just you have to follow the two rules on adding and on multiplying. So I think you understood this. So keep practicing children and do more questions so that your hands will be free, so that you can do anytime any type of questions. So children, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you so much.